Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the parking lot sale going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. So guys, just a reminder, here is the parking lot sale. You can see Inside Track Club gets to go Monday through Thursday. Everyone else starts on Friday through Sunday. So make sure you check that out when you can get in there. But get started right here with some Bauer options. You can see these batteries are on sale. When you buy a starter kit right here, you get a free tool. So again, great thing, great pickup. You can see a bigger picture of it right here. Buy the starter kit, get a free tool, and then you save 65 bucks. So again, if you were ever thinking about getting into the Bauer system, this is a great time to do that. You can see all the different options right here. I wanted to show you all those tools. Also, the Apache case down to 18 bucks. Great price on that one right there. And here's another color. I like that orange color. Also have some nice little Edison bulb lights for the backyard. 19 bucks right there. Great thing to, again, upgrade your backyard. You got the little tactical flashlights. Got a few different Braun flashlights here, but 7 bucks on that one. Also, here we go, 3 bucks on some microfiber cloths there. Another great thing. And then we have the step drill bits, 9 bucks for Warrior. Also have the infrared laser thermometer, 15 bucks from Ames here. We got some gloves. I'll show you all those in a minute. We have a little Viking battery jumper charger. Then we have probably the cheapest heat gun you can find, 10 bucks right there. Great price for that one for the Warrior brand. Also have an ammo can. Then we have moving blankets, right under 4 bucks there. And more deals on lights I'll show you here in a second. Then we have the variable speed sander from Bauer, 109. So 40 bucks off of this one. Again, another great price right there. And we have some work lights also from Braun right here. Another great thing to check out. Good prices on those. 4 bucks here for the transfer pump. And I'll show you the larger setup for that here in just a moment as well. We have the detail brush, 150. Great time to grab some of these zip ties. I'll probably grab me some of these. Good prices, under 2 bucks for those. Always need some zip ties. Then we have the little variable speed rotary toolkit here for Bauer, 35 bucks. And then we also have the level here, 80 bucks for Bauer. So again, I don't know if I've seen that one around here. Little titanium bits, 12 bucks there. And then also we have the tape measures, 250. Little wheels right here, 442. Again, there's a little closer setup right there for the rotary toolkit. A bunch of little attachments for that as well. Surface cleaning tool, 100 bucks right there for Hercules. And then a couple other items for the little charger there. And we see the angle grinder, 23 bucks, really good price for that one. 39 here for the polisher. And again, a lot of great deals for Bauer. I really like these. Great brand. Definitely a great pickups right now. I'll show you all some of these later as well. A little grinder set. We got Sawzall here, 45 bucks. And the multi-tool there, oscillating multi-tool, 35 bucks. Also, US General has their little socket trays, 17 bucks. Different colors depending on which one you want, which color you want. Also have another rifle case here, 50 bucks off of this one. I mean, Apache, that's a great deal with that. I love the colors as well, really good colors. Get to save 300 bucks off of this generator. Again, Predator is a really great generator, definitely a great time to purchase one of these. 1,700 bucks. They also have the 5,000 watt down to 800 bucks. So again, another great one for that one. Has the wheels and everything on it as well. Earthquake XT, I feel like they have one of these for sale at all times, but good deal right here for Inside Track Club, 90 bucks. They also have a sprayer, 10 bucks. And we also have a little Banks brad nailer here, 20 bucks for that one, really good price. Great thing to pick up. 119, 20 bucks off right here of this little rack. And it's kind of cool because you can adjust it, you see right there, so you can make it look whatever you want. Also have the shaft engine from Predator, 119. A few more Predator options near the end of the video. We have the Badland winch. This thing comes up for sale often, but if you need one of those, $279, great price and pickup for that one. They also have the smaller Badland winch here for $154. So you can see that one right there. We have the aluminum Hallmaster here, 2-ball adjustment, $100. Kenway lights, $22 there. See a couple more options here, even cheaper than the instant savings deal. So there are some more deals and stuff like that going on. You can check out my latest video on that. Little wet dry vac here, $30 for a little small and great thing just to kind of keep around for any spills or anything. We also have the canvas drop cloth, $7. Great thing just to always have for painting. We have the paint sprayer, $34 right here for Avanti. And then a little bit larger option also for Avanti. You got the setup right here for $90. So knock it out a little bit faster there. Got some air hoses, Merlin, $20 there for that one. And then also $15, a little bit smaller air hose as well. $139 here for the Fortress. Little tank there. Good solid setup. Definitely going to do a good job. $20 off of that one. Larger setup here, $254. So again, you can see that one there. Then they have the McGraw options, hot dog, and the pancake air compressor. So again, depending on which one you might want, but solid deals on these. So again, depending on which one you are interested in, but pretty good deals on all of those. Again, air compressors right there. 20% off these batteries. So they have all the different type of batteries. 20% off of those, so whichever one you might want. Solid deal to pick up while you're in there. Again, great little option that the whole rack was labeled, so good thing to check out. 98 cents right here for a little flashlight. Great thing to use hanging and also just other stuff. And then we see the little lights right here from Braun, $33 for that one. Also, just a reminder, I will have links for some of these items down below. You can check them out down there. And if this video has been helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And then lastly, I do send out a weekly email just with the deals going on right now. So you can subscribe to that weekly newsletter just down below. Check that out. Super easy, it's free. And again, you always get the updated deals. Another option right here is the creeper. A little creeper for the garage, $70. And then we have a little Maddox scanner here. And code reader for $165. We saw this one earlier, a little thermometer, but great thing just to kind of keep in mind there. And then we have 30% off all bottle jacks. So you can see the different pricing right there. 30% off, solid deal on those. So if you need any of these bottle jacks, great thing to pick up. Pretty good deal off of all of these. So again, whichever brand you want or option you want, they have 30% off all of those. So it's a really great thing again to check out and pick up as well. So then we also have a couple other options on these 30% off. So it's not only the bottle jacks, but it's also for this other set of jacks right here next to them, the jack stands. So you can check those out. Again, really good deals on those. Got some Daytonas here, 3-ton, 6-ton, a bunch of different ones. You can check those out. So again, depending on which one you might need or even which color you might be interested in as well. Right here, low profile floor jack, $250. Again, another great thing to pick up there for a Daytona. 3-ton low profile jack, $129. It saves $70 off of that one. Then right here we have the 4-ton floor jack. Get save $100 off of this one right here. And then also the 3-ton option, get to save $60 here for Pittsburgh, $90 on that one. And then also the 1.5-ton low profile jack there for $85. Even further deals off of this Viking battery charger. So again, $30. We saw some of these up front. Here's another setup, great thing to keep in your vehicle. A little jump starter, $75 from Viking. Then you can also check this one out right here, 2000 peak amps for $99. And they have these gloves on sale. You can see this one for $8. So again, about half price. Getting a good deal with that. Not all of them, I believe, is just these set up right here. We also have the shop towels. We saw these earlier, but $8 for some of those. And we saw this little pump right here, the little transfer pump for $4 up front. But then they also had the liquid transfer pump here, battery operated option for $6.50. Little plastic fastener kits, $11. I bought some of these a few months ago. A lot of different options in there. 20% off all the Bauer, Portland, and outdoor power tools. So again, all kind of options. I'll show you more of those in a minute, but you can see some of these right here. Great options for those. And it also includes the Atlas as well, if I didn't say that. Utility card here, $75. We have 35% off all the Icon, Quinn sockets. So again, if you need any of those, great pickup. They had a ton of these on sale. So great thing to check out. You can see all these deals right here. Again, a little bit better view of it here. 35% off of these socket sets. See the different pricing right next to it, but Icon and Quinn socket sets. $1,500 for the triple bank roll cab, $300 off. Again, another great pickup there. And then here are just more of these sockets. I want to show you guys all of those. $100 for Mechanics Toolkit, 225 piece from Pittsburgh. Again, right at $100, get to save about $30 off of that one. And then $169 here for 300 piece. So again, good deals right there for Pittsburgh. We have the wobble socket extension set. Got this one for $10. And then also up top, we have the Pittsburgh breaker bar for $9. With the Quinn torque wrenches, we got this one here for $60, the 1/2 inch option, and then we also have the 3/8 inch for $129. So again, depending on which one you might need, we have the American flag here for $5. Great thing to grab right there, patriotic. Here are a couple more of the items for outdoors, like we're talking about the Atlas, Bauer, and Portland. You see the chainsaws here. Some of these, just regular chainsaws. We also have the small pruning saw there. Have some of the extended saws and hedge trimmers and all those kind of things like that. So, like I said, some good deals right here. Again, whatever you might be interested in, especially for the outdoor items. Great things to check out. We also have the sprayer here, $10. Solid deal on that one. And then another setup for the sprayer as well, $10 right here for the 2-gallon one. We have the earth auger for Predator, $180. So you get to save some money on that one. We also have some of these options. Again, little L-shaped hex keys, and then we have some clamps here for welding. Have the plasma cutter here, $679. We also have another titanium option for $400. We got some of the helmets here for welding. Again, you can see the different ones you might need. Different prices, different setups, even all the way down to $30 right there. A couple more options here. $40 for this. We saw it earlier, little grindstones here, but pretty good deals on that one. The bench grinders. And then $1,500 here for the generator, the Vulcan generator, powered by Predator. So again, set up for the dual voltage welder. We have the frame level, $15. So if you need one of those, large setup there. Cast iron anvil, $150. Get to save $50 off of that. It's nice. Got the cement mixer, $199. Like that one. Down $70. We also have the drill pump. I actually have one of these. Works pretty well. Used it a few times. 44% off. Another option right here for the drain auger, $75. The breaker hammer from Hercules, $550. You get to save $100 off of that if you need one of those. Great price. And also the palm sander here from Hercules, $44.99. And again, here's the box and all the setup for that one. And then lastly, they have the 25% off all U.S. General carts. So again, another great price, great deal for that one. So if you need a cart, great time to pick that out. Also, you can pick your color as well. But I think there's a lot of great deals going on right now at the parking lot sale. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. Like I said, I will have some of these links down below. You can check them out down there. You can also sign up for the newsletter where I send out an email every week just letting you know all the deals that are going on right now. But thanks so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.